In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your phone to an Audi Q3. It is super easy to do. So this in particular is from 2015, but will also work on any future ones that Audi has produced. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, ignite your engine. And from here, you'll need to go over here to your radio. Once from here, you'll simply need to go down to this little icon called Audi Multiplayer and go down to media. Once I'm here, let's just go back here. You'll see that my iPhone has been connected already, but if you want to connect a new one, you'll simply need to go down here and select the settings page, which is this specific one. And then from here, you'll need to go over to Bluetooth settings. Once I'm here, you'll simply need to scroll down using this little wheel down here to go down to find Bluetooth device. Once I'm here, you'll see please check that Bluetooth is activated on your mobile phone and Discovery is available. Switch on, just click OK. And then from here, it's gonna try to find your mobile device. And once it's done that, you will simply need to click on your specific mobile or inside of the Audi here, and then click connect. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.